You've never had Japanese curry like this before. This is Ryukyu style or Okinawa style dry curry, and it is delicious. Hey guys, welcome back to another video and greetings from Okinawa. Now today we're gonna go back to a place we've been to before on this trip. We featured this curry shop on our previous Okinawa video, but we had to come back because the curry was insanely good. And we also discovered that there's more on their menu that we wanted to try, so we had to come back. We are going to go to Gachimaya on Ryukyu Street. This street is a small-sized street located just inside Kokusai Dori, or off Kokusai Dori, I should say, and it's pretty easy to find. And it's on the second floor of this building right here. So it's just upstairs here in this building. The first floor, there's a place that you can buy shisapan, you know, the shisa-shaped grilled bread, which you should get. But this curry shop is located right on the second floor here. It's right over here. Ryukyu dry curry Gachimayah.
So we came inside Gachimayah. So this restaurant is not only for eating curry like bar. You can enjoy alcohol drink too, and they have snacks for drinks. I bought beer, Orion beer. In happy hour, you can drink this only 200 yen. Cheers, everybody! Happy curry.
Today, I'm not gonna drink any alcohol. I'm just gonna drink my favorite sanpincha or jasmine tea. Cheers. Oh, sorry. Shikwasa juice. Shikwasa, what am I thinking? I drink so much jasmine tea here. I look at it, I'm thinking, oh, it's jasmine tea. No, this is shikwasa, the indigenous citrus juice. Nice, citrusy, sweet, yum. Okay, so our appetizer has arrived. Appetizer or snacks. So we got a choice of 3, and this is all for 600 yen. It's pretty amazing. So here you see umikuji, which is a traditional purple sweet potato, I guess like pancake fritter thing. And it's made with the local purple sweet potato. And then we got taco balls here. And then we have 3 types of shimanakyo or the island shallots. This one's marinated in salt and olive oil. This one is kombu seaweed. This is kimchi. It's one of my favorite Okinawan snacks. Itadakimasu. Ooh, hot. Crispy on the outside. Slightly gentle sweetness of the natural sweetness of the purple sweet potato. Look at that. Look how purple it is. That is the natural color. And I believe this is mixed with like a potato starch thing, and this is fried on a frying pan. It's so crunchy and it's so refreshing. It's like eating a fresh onion, garlic / green onion, but in a crunchy form without the bitterness.
So since I'm drinking beer, I choose a beer-friendly thing. Oh, little bit cake full of umami. Not very spicy, but it matches with beer. And this is taco ball.
Yeah, we've never had this before.
Yeah,
it looks like a korokke.
Yeah, it's a taco meat. Oh, it's like a meatball, but the flavor is taco meat. It's very crunchy, sakusakutto or karitto.
So the last time we were here, I got the king dry curry, and that was good, but I'm super hungry today, and so I just had to get their double. You can actually get triple too, but the double looks amazing. It looks like a birthday cake to me. I got the double with a topping of the raisins. It's already topped with his homemade pickles, which is corn, Goya bitter melon, and cherry tomato and carrot. And even the carrot is cute. It looks like a bear. It's shaped like a bear. Let me take a bite. Look how big it is. It is huge and it is heavy. But we're gonna share everything today.
So nice.
Yeah, look at that. You know, this curry is their family recipe. I believe it's the mother's recipe. And then it's created with all local ingredients and so much goodness and love. Itadakimasu. That's really good. I believe he's using agu pork, a local pork, and it's delicious. So it's extra juicy and flavorful. And I don't know what kind of spices he uses, but it's just really complex. The curry is already good as is, and it's not spicy at all. But if you want some heat, he has an array of hot spices for you to choose from a variety of Tabascos to death sauce, and of course our favorite, the shimasco, which is a local hot sauce using shikwasa, which is the indigenous citrus fruit of Okinawa. So I'm gonna put that on because I love that. Okay, I got a little bit of that Goya as well, and raisin. I love that sauce, and I think it gives it like some acidity as well as some kick and chili flavor. So I like that combo with the sweetness of this curry. But this curry, once again, it's just really good, and that's why we are back here for our second time on this one trip to Okinawa.
This one is Okinawa style curry because all of these ingredients are grown in Okinawa, including the rice from Okinawa. So mine is curry with garlic toast instead of rice. Yes, here is a curry shop, but not only curry rice, they have bread.
There are 5 pieces of garlic toast, and you can add up to 7 toasts for free. This dry curry has all the toppings, including garlic chips.
Yep.
Okay, and of course the pickles as well.
Pickles.
That's pickled tomato.
I want to put on this bread. This saku-saku texture is very pleasant, and garlic taste good. Of course, I love garlic, and it's combined with dry curry. It's kind of a marriage.
Let me just take a bite of the garlic toast by itself first, because it smells amazing. Oh, very crusty bread, crispy on the outside, perfectly toasted, you can see. Let's try it with the curry, the dry curry. Strangely, it's the same curry, but it tastes totally different combined with the garlic and the butter. And they also have 2 noodle dishes on the menu. That's right. The last time we had the Okinawa sobalognese, which was amazing. So this time we got the other one, the Okinawa sobalognese. And this is Okinawan soba. It's a special type of Okinawan soba, mixed and cooked with that same curry sauce, but turned into a completely new dish. And it's topped with 2 types of cheese here. And so I'm gonna give this a try. Look how cheesy it looks. Okay, here we go. I'm so excited. Wow, guys. Pleasantly surprised. Honestly, I thought it was gonna taste the same or similar to the dry curry with the rice. I don't know why. It tastes like a completely different dish. It's creamier, obviously cheesier, but the cheese sort of kind of melded into the curry sauce, making it creamier and even richer and maybe less sweet, maybe because of the cheese. And the noodles have such a nice firmness to them and bouncy texture. Oh, I really like this too.
Last time I ate soba bonara. Today is sobalognese. I think it's inspired by soba bolognese. Beautiful. I love bolognese.
Isn't it surprisingly delicious?
Why so different? The chef used same curry sauce, but flavor completely different. Okinawa noodles have a flavor. Maybe it's a combination. Okinawa soba noodles are different from Japanese buckwheat soba noodles.
Oh my god, we had so much food. But of course, we cannot leave without having their signature dessert, which is their brown sugar pudding. We had this, it was included in the lunch set the last time we came here. It was so good. And so we had to get one to share. And it's really delicious.
Yes, I'm a pudding connoisseur, and I approved.
Yes, I'm a brown sugar connoisseur. That is so good. It's creamy, it's rich enough but not too rich, it's sweet but not too sweet. You have that really beautiful brown sugar flavor.
Yes.
Today we got the dry curry, the double size. It was a huge serving, guys. So really, order it only if you have a huge appetite.
Of course, you can eat double if you are Gachimayah.
Or triple.
Triple.
We have triple too. One last thing I want to say is that the owner is super friendly and welcoming, and his name is Satoshi actually.
Yes.
Same name as you.
Yes.
So if you come visit, make sure to say hello to Satoshi. A really nice guy.
This curry shop is a master place, new master place for us.
Yes, especially if you like really good food, lots of it. Oh my God, I'm so stuffed.
Yeah.
Well, that's our fault. We ordered too much food. But really, guys, definitely check this place out next time you're in Okinawa. First of all, you must come to Okinawa. Obviously, we love this place so much. It's so relaxing and there's so much good food here. But definitely check this place out and say hello to Satoshi-san.
Yes, Satoshi-san.
Yes. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. As always, smash that like button. Please leave your thoughts in the comments down below. Subscribe for more videos like this one. We have the whole list. We have a few links in the description for you to check out later. So check them out and we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.
Bye.